Hello, what is up everyone? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast cover video, and today we have the DMC DELOREAN number 8 out of 10 from Hotwheels the 80s and number 101/250. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So this is from the E-case of 2023, and as you can see, this is another recolor of the DMC DELOREAN. This is not the time machine, obviously not the Back to the Future version, but this is the normal DELOREAN, which is honestly pretty cool. Like, they've improvised the casting, and since basically Mattel doesn't want to release that same old boring gray color again, instead they've made it more sportier with some stripes, which yeah, quite creative as well, but still a bit lack of headlights obviously and rear lights, but still it kind of seems quite cool as well that they've obviously made it much more better, especially with the stripes and whatnot. But still, it's pretty cool, as you can see right here. But yeah, let's go ahead and check the car out now. So obviously this car has been known to release several times previously. I believe even with the treasure hunt, if I'm not mistaken. Like, there was a golden one. I don't remember was that a treasure hunt or not, but still. It is still a pretty popular car, basically from the 1980s and so. But yeah, let's take a look here. So we have some blue and light blue stripes on the side. We have obviously the black stripe as per usual we get, but in inclusion with some other stripes as well. And then we have that Hotwheels logo at the bottom. And then moving on to the front, we do not have headlights. For some reason from the front it kind of reminds me of a Camaro, one of those Camaros I don't remember the name of. And then we have some light blue and blue stripes, as well as one big black stripe on the hood. Sadly, it doesn't go through the roof as well, just on the hood, but still it's quite fine as well. And then, oh, I forgot to mention, it has the 10-spoke, sort of like bronze rims, as you can see right here. Pretty cool. Interior is in black. This is not fully tinted. You can still see the inside if you're asking for that. Yeah, you can still see the inside, but I'm not sure if you can through this video. But yeah, obviously this back part is covered obviously. And then moving on, no rear lights. We did get it in the previous one, like the older ones. Of course, we had rear lights at the older ones, but sadly we don't have it in this one, because obviously it already has some extra details on the side and the hood and whatnot. Oh yeah, I forgot to show the base actually. Base is in black. It says, oh, it has that special DMC logo on the base right there, which is kind of cool. DMC DELOREAN. Let's see, number 2009 Mattel, and I believe made in Malaysia obviously. Yeah, overall such a cool casting that has been re-released. Obviously this is one of the castings where it is fine to get a re-release as long as the gap is quite far and people still love this casting. I do still love the DELOREAN especially. Of course, it has the iconic gull wing doors, which is quite cool. I kind of love it. And knowing the fact that it's in Back to the Future, it seems pretty cool, and it still is an icon till today, just like Kit from Knight Rider. But yeah, overall seems like a pretty nice car. Obviously DELOREAN fans will love this car. Overall, such a nice antique. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.